Hello students, welcome to your bio class. In this video lesson, we are going to study about natural resources. The term natural means anything that has been provided by the nature. Resources means anything that can be useful to us. So in this way, we can say that natural resources are those things which are provided by the nature and which are beneficial for us. They may present on the earth or may found outside the earth. These natural resources support life on the earth. For example, sun, air, water, soil, forest, etc. Let's see another very important term of this chapter. This is biosphere. Children, the term biosphere was first coined by an Austrian geologist, Edward Suess, in 1875. Biosphere, which is also called as ecosphere, is the global ecosystem which integrates interactions between the living and the non-living components of the earth. We can say that it is the sum total of all the ecosystems present on this earth, and it is ever evolving. Factors affecting the biosphere. Children, biosphere is affected by the factors such as distance between the sun and the earth. Other factors such as earthquakes, volcanoes, daily weather and climate, human activities such as industrialization, deforestation, etc. also have impact on the biosphere. Physical geographers divide biosphere into three different spheres. These are atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. Atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere work together to create the biosphere. Atmosphere. Mass of gases surrounding the earth comprises the first sphere called as atmosphere. The aquatic environments on the earth such as oceans, rivers, lakes, etc. makes hydrosphere. It occupies 75% of the earth's surface. Lithosphere. It includes earth's crust made of soil and rock. Let's see composition of air and its importance. Air is nothing but the mixture of gases. Composition of air on the earth is unique. It consists of nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 0.04%, argon 0.93%, and rest is the traces of helium, neon, methane, water vapor, etc. Water vapor content of air varies from place to place. Let's see application of air. Children, air is vital for respiration. The two main gases present in air, such as oxygen and carbon dioxide, are utilized by different living organisms. For example, oxygen is vital for the respiration of most of the living beings, including the human, for oxidation of glucose in order to get energy. In absence of this energy, life would not be possible. Similarly, carbon dioxide, which is present in the atmosphere, is essential for the plants to carry out a process called as photosynthesis, in which they prepare their own food. Oxygen present in the atmosphere is also very important for combustion. We all know that in absence of oxygen, combustion cannot occur. Let's see how air helps to control the temperature on the earth. Air helps in the formation of winds. During summers, the land gets heated up much faster than the oceans. The temperature of the earth's surface rises rapidly. The air above the land is hot and thus rises, and the cold air from the sea surface moves and form a layer above the land, thus not letting the temperature rise very high. This creates wind and also helps to regulate the temperature. The air and the atmosphere also form a protective layer around the planet and protect us from the UV rays of the sun, thus cooling the earth down in the process. We all know that in the stratosphere layer of the atmosphere, ozone layer is present, which protect us from the harmful ultraviolet radiations of the sun. The dense layer of molecular gases present in the atmosphere absorb the cosmic rays, gamma rays and X-rays, thereby blocking most of the harmful effects. Atmosphere also protect us from the space debris. Tons of the space debris strike the earth every day. It is the molecules present in the atmosphere that destroy them before they reach the ground. The water vapor condenses and falls as rain, thereby providing the earth with a life-sustaining resource. If there was no atmosphere, the water would have boiled away into space or would have remained frozen. Children, let's see how atmosphere helps in the formation of clouds. We all know that when sun's rays fall on the water bodies, the water gets evaporated and rises up, where they condense to form tiny droplets. Such process of condensation of water is facilitated when the dust and other suspended particles present in the atmosphere act as the nucleus for these droplets to form around. An enormous collection of tiny droplets of water appear in the form of clouds. These droplets of water slowly grow bigger due to condensation of more and more water droplets. When they become big and heavy, they fall down in the form of rain. Sometimes, when the temperature of air is very low, precipitation then may occur in the form of snow, sheet, or hail. Air pollution. The contamination of air by the addition of harmful particles and gases, which brings undesirable changes in its composition, is called as air pollution. It can occur both due to natural reasons, such as forest fires, dust storms, pollen, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, etc., and human activities, for example, industrialization, burning of fossil fuels, mining, use of refrigerators, and ACs, smoke from the vehicles, etc. We can say that air pollutants are those gases and substances which pollute air. Common air pollutants are dust, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, soot, hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, chlorofluorocarbons, etc. Suspended particulate matter or SPM. Air pollutants which remain suspended in air for a good period of time are called as suspended particulate matter. It consists of fine solids or liquid droplets, for example dust, soot, etc. They cause and aggravate the human respiratory illnesses such as asthma and bronchitis. We can have certain visible indication of air pollution also. This is smog. Smog com- uh, can be called as the mixture of smoke and fog. The smoke combines with the moisture present in the air to form smog, which reduces the visibility and is an indication of air pollution. It causes breathing effects and also results in accidents. Lichen. Lichens are very good pollution indicators because they are sensitive to sulfur dioxide and do not grow in the areas where its concentration is high in air. Thus, by observing the presence and absence of lichens in an area, we can easily get the indication of air pollution. Let's see harmful effects of air pollution. First of all, effects on human beings. The consequences of air pollution are deadly, ranging from respiratory diseases to nervous system damage and harm to liver, spleen, and blood. Constant fatigue, headache, irritation in eyes, etc. Heart-related diseases also tend to increase due to air pollution. Many people may develop cancer. Effects on plants. It causes the falling of leaves, reduced growth in plants, degeneration of chlorophyll, mottling of leaves, etc. Effects on animals. Animals are affected by arsenic poisoning as they feed on the grasses, plants which are coated with polluted particulate matter. Effects on climate. Increased concentration of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, etc. results in the rise in temperature of the earth. This is called as greenhouse effect, we all know. It is causing melting of glaciers and polar ice. It affects the agriculture also as the pattern and timing of rainfall gets changed. Another very harmful effect of air pollution is in terms of acid rain. Sulfur dioxide and oxides of nitrogen combines with rainwater to form sulfuric and nitric acids respectively, which fall down along with the rainwater. This is called as acid rain. The acid rain has following dreadful effects. It corrodes the buildings and monuments, especially made of marbles. Taj Mahal, one of the seven wonders of the world and symbol of beauty, is deteriorating due to air pollution. We can see yellowish patches on the walls of Taj Mahal. Acid rain also destroys forests and crops. It makes the soil infertile. It also gets mixed with the water in the lakes, rivers, seas, and other water bodies, making them unsuitable for various aquatic animals, which results in their death. This is how we have come to the end of today's video lesson. See you in the next video. Goodbye.